Hello friends, hope you're fine. Today I'm going to add a slider at homepage after header. As you can see, we have header at our WordPress website, uh, having logo left, then menu, then user icon, and then search icon. Then I have specified the space after header where I'm going to add a slider using a plugin. So let's move towards the dashboard. Then add new plugin named as image slider, showing right here, and total 10,000 plus active installations are still there. So install that plugin and activate it. Then you will see uh, image slider option in the left sidebar. Then add new slider. Here you can see all the options for adding the new slider. Let's name it as homepage slider. Add images for the slider. I'm going to add these 3 images. Then you can see that options below. First option is slider size. So I'm going to add size at 1900 and going to add height at 700. Auto slide, yes, I'm going to on it. And slider delay, I'm going to add it at 2 seconds. Then easy and score, you can change it here, but drop down here. And navigation button always show, yes, I want it. Then let's let box show slide show interval. I'm going to add it 3 seconds. Just save slider. And click add slider. You can see the slider which I've added is here. You can copy this code, short code, and move towards the page where I want to add it. I'm going to add it here. So edit the page. And just add text block, add shortcode here, save changes, and update the page. Let's refresh the page where I have added this slider. You can see slider is added here, and its slides and its options, the slide 1, slide 2, and all these options can be added here. You can see title here. We can change it. Next shop slider 1, slide 1. Then in the second images, I'm going to add slide image 2, then slide image 3. Let's move towards bottom. I want to remove 2 seconds and just add 1 second. And here Let box let show interval. I'm going to add here 1 second only. Just update slider and refresh the home page. Now it is taking only 1 second for the next slide and for slide left, and you can see that text of the slides are here. So you can add slide like this, and this is fully responsive slider. You can see it at the small screen. Like here you can see images are properly scrolling. Hope you will enjoy my video. If yes, please subscribe my channel and comment below for any queries if you have. Thank you.